So welcome back, and in this video we will talk about sets, how set really works, how set are different from tuple and list. So one thing that we need to mind is that set only difference between set and other things are that set does not allow the duplicacy. So duplicacy is not allowed in cell. What does it mean? That we cannot have, like we have a list 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. And when we convert this list to a set, we only have 1 5, we don't have 3 5s. And that is what set specialty is. When to use set is when so basically the implementation of this is when we don't want any duplicacy in the data set. So if we have a data set, like we have a list of 1,000 elements and we want to check, we want to make sure that no repetition of the element is there. We want to give this list to as an input to say machine learning or something like that. So only thing that we need to do is we simply make it a set. Well, the moment you make it a set, all duplicate value will be eliminated. And let's do the practical of the set and start the video. I am Saurabh Tripathi, and let's start with the video. So first of all, how to initialize a set? All you need to do, you simply write, say I'm taking s as a variable name, and what I'm going to do, I will write curly brackets. Now, something that you need to mind, when we jump on dictionary, we also use curly bracket. So how Python really find out which will take it will take as a dictionary and which it will take as a set. We'll cover that too. So let us start with set first. So to initialize a set, we simply put a curly bracket and it's a set now. Other method is also there, so we can also consider it as a set, simply providing it set and the function method. Both are genuine method, but initially what we need to mind is when we declare it as a set, when we declare a set like this, okay. Let me run this, let me delete this one. So when we declare a set like this, let me make it SS for now, and let me show you the type. Type of SS is right now a dictionary. How? Let me show you. Type. It's a dictionary right now, okay. And when you check the type of S, it's a set, okay. To make it a sure thing that it is a set, what we need to do, we need to initialize it with a value, okay. When it does not get a key value pair that is in dictionary, it automatically consider it as a set. As we know, Python use duck typing, so it is another facility that is provided to us in Python. What we need to do, we simply initialize it with a value, say 3 4 5, and the moment we run it, and if we check the type now, it will be a set. So as you can see, it's a set now. Second thing, as I told you that we cannot have the duplicacy in the set. So suppose we have a list ls and which has the value say 2 2 3, okay, and 5. So what we need to do, we have this list, we will initialize the list, and let me also print the list for you, ls, okay. And now what we do, we will simply put it as a set, okay. The moment we make the list set, we will see the result. We only have 2 3 4 5 now, okay. If we print ls again, we again have the same value. What does is the thing is, we cannot make set like this. We need to assign it to a variable. That means if we want to make it a permanent set, all we need to do, set ls, and now if you print it, it will be a permanent thing, okay. So this is something you need to mind, which is basic logic only, but sometimes people make that kind of mistake. That's why I thought I should add this. And this is how you create a set. Now second thing that you need to mind, suppose we want to create a set of characters. So if we try to do such thing, say I'm saying s2 equals to, okay, and say a b, okay, we are also adding some numbers to it. So we already know we cannot have the duplicacy, so I'm not going to try the duplicacy part here. Suppose we initiate it with the duplicacy. Suppose we initiate the value with the duplicacy. What will happen then? Okay, when we run this and print s2, as you can see, there is no duplicacy in the data set. Second thing, as you can see that value has already adjusted themselves as in sorted value. Third thing that you need to know, that when you try to indexing it this, so if I try to index say 3, third index, okay, when I run this, I will see the error. Set object does not is not subscriptable, okay. Okay. Second thing, can we modify the value now? That is not also possible. Why? Because we are not able to index it. So how we are supposed to modify it? Okay. So that is also not a case right now. So you cannot do the indexing, and by indexing, modification chapter is already closed, because only by indexing you can modify value, right? There are some functions to in set too. As you can see, clear difference, discard, insertion, intersection, and all these function can be used separately. The main thing is set usually don't be we don't required to use all the methods, so I'm not covering those methods, but I encourage everyone, whenever you feel that you are done with the Python part and you feel that you're confident enough, make sure you make some time to see all the function methods and what they do. Obviously guys, it is not practical to cover each and every method in the course, but uh, you must make some time later onwards, because they are not really used very frequently. That's why I'm not covering it, but you can later onwards you can go and cover it. That would be a great practice to do. Okay, so coming back to the topic, this is all for set. This is also a set. We will cover dictionary in the next lecture, and dictionary also start in the same fashion, but there's some difference in set and dictionary that I will cover. Okay, thank you guys.